Honor CEO believes that its Magic 7 series is the most beautiful phone lineup this year. I recently made a video on the cameras of the Honor Magic 7 RSR and I told you this smartphone is indeed beautiful and providing the industry's first 100x AI super telephoto camera. And Honor proved that it's the best by comparing the Honor Magic 7 RSR with the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus, and guess what? They beat Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus on this stage, like in front of thousands of people. So what happened is that during the Magic 7 RSR launch event, Honor compared its newly launched device with the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus in terms of camera. The company tested both models under 100x telephoto photography. Notably, the Magic 7 RSR performed better than the Mate handset. With that being said, Luo Wei, the new member of the Honor imaging team and the former Huawei imaging chief, says that the Magic 7 RSR periscope camera clearly crushes its competitors. Wei even shouted "leading the way" slogan in the press conference. Well, many netizens said that the slogan is directly towards Huawei as the new challenge in the market. Well, it's not like Honor is disrespectful towards Huawei, because regarding the competition between Honor and Huawei, Honor's CEO said that his company is leading in terms of strategy and thinking, though they have to work more in the user experience sector. He further said that Huawei is a strong and respectable opponent. The team can bravely claim to be in the lead, and as the CEO, I firmly support it. Facing strong competitors, we must also have the courage and strength to break through. So it seems to me that the new smartphone camera king on DxO mark will be the Honor Magic 7 series. Right now, the Huawei Pure S70 Ultra is leading the DxO mark, but when they're gonna compare the Magic 7 RS with the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus, this is going to be a test worth watching. The kind where it's crystal clear which smartphone truly has the better camera. And honestly, I'm predicting that this time Honor might just take the lead over Huawei. What do you think? I mean, they've already outperformed Huawei on stage, right? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments section below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.